I'm Mary Kettle, and this is Jessie. You might remember that we're the wranglers at Outlaw Ranch. It's the second day of family camp, or it should be the second day of family camp, and we thought to ourselves, maybe the people would like to go canoeing with us. We were not in any way slowed by the fact that neither one of us has gone canoeing in 6 or 7 or 8 years. We were not slowed by the fact that neither one of us actually ever touches water. We thought this would be a good opportunity to try out something called shorts. You can see our legs.
Which is why lots and lots of sunscreen, because never the sun.
We discovered that when you wear shorts, your legs are super itchy and there's something called bugs. But we're gonna forge ahead and we're gonna get ready to take you out on the waters of Bismarck Lake. Of course, you know us, we gotta put our shoes on. My legs are really white. How about yours?
Mine are hairy.
Oh, so mine are hairy too.
But no one ever sees our legs, so...
And there's a reason for that.
My socks don't match.
My socks match, but not my outfit.
I'm wearing stripes and plaids.
Now, this thing that we're sitting on is the dock that the family campers, through their contributions, bought for us a couple of years ago. And I'd heard people talking about this thing and had never visited. I think it's fabulous. It's got a bench. It's got this plastic sidewalk thing that you can stand on.
It's all grippy so you don't slide.
And it's only a little bit hot. How is she done already?
I think a fish just jumped.
Cool. Now over here is an island, which you may also remember that we built from the family camper contributions the same year that we put the dock in. And I think it's pretty fabulous. Next year for our family camp donations, we're hoping to build a peninsula. So remember to bring your checkbooks. Next year, Peninsula 2021. Well, as wranglers, we know that sun protection is super important. So when we're out on the water, we're definitely going to have our helmets on and lots of sunscreen. We like to actually combine the formulas to get up to approximately like an SPF 300 if possible. People say that you can use too much sunscreen, but I don't believe it. Well, at Outlaw Ranch, you know that our motto is safety third. So that's why we're wearing these gigantic vests. And now we're going to carry our canoe down the dock. We would like to point out that as wranglers, we have never had to carry a horse anywhere, but we're good sports. And so we're willing to pick up this canoe and put it on our heads. Are you ready, Jess?
All right, let's do that.
How hard can this be?
Go on, cheese. What?
Now we'll lift it up and we'll get it over our heads. Oh. Liz may have to help us. Okay. Oh my God.
It's on my head.
Now, spider! Okay. One reason we do this is because of social distancing and the fact that this canoe makes an excellent mask. And now we walk forward.
drag these.
Oh, that would have been a good idea. This is not as fun as I imagined it would be. Jesse, how do you know which way is the front and which way is the back?
I really don't know on this one.
We don't have this problem with horses.
Well, sometimes we do. Both ends make funny noises.
Oh, I have seen that.
Yeah.
Okay, now where do I sit?
One of these benches.
One of these benches. I'm going to go sit in the front one.
Which is the front one?
Well, we're going to call that one the front
That
one.
one's the front? Okay.
And then that's going to be the back.
Okay.
All right. I saw this in a movie once. Oh, look at that, Jesse. I got in my own boat. Oh, they have cup holders.
Quickly, quickly, quickly.
I wish we had some Outlaw Ranch counselors here. We're probably there. Okay. Right. That was a lot scarier than I thought it was going to be.
I think technically this is the front because there's more leg room.
Oh, should I turn around?
If you can.
Okay.
If not, we'll be wranglers in a boat.
Okay. Oh, this is much more comfortable.
All right. So we got to back out of here, I think.
Now, are we social distancing with you sitting that way?
I'll turn around once we're actually going forward.
Okay. Jesse, I heard these were called divorce boats.
Yep, that's a term for it.
I heard it was because people get divorced because they can't figure out which direction to paddle. And it's gone really well so far.
This is going really well.
Oh, I should go forward.
Yes.
All right. Isn't this pretty?
Yep. Dutch goes on Mom's. He jumps off now and again because he's the lifeguard. He's the self-appointed lifeguard. But he does wear his little life vest, so it's all good. Remember, it's really shallow up here. And riding boots. Well, it's 4th of July weekend. Yeah. Pretty well if they're properly inflated.
more turtles in the next bay. Yep, we're still going.
That makes a cool sound. They look so relaxed. Is it relaxing? It's very relaxing.
Camp has lots of them.
This dock is really awesome. It's better than that climb through the mud thing we used to do in the olden days. Okay, I'll hold on and you get out.
You sure?
What's the worst that could happen?
You're going in.
Oh, I'll hold on really tight and you get out. I don't think we're built for this. Oh, that was really good. Okay. Okay. Now, I've studied this while we were out on the water. I think instead of walking all the way down the boat, I could just get out right here.
I think that might work.
Okay, hold on tight. All I can say is God bless the family camper.
They do this like every day and they sign up for it.
I know, isn't that funny?
Oh.
Well, thanks for coming with us. The water was so beautiful and so smooth. We saw baby ducks. We saw a heron.
But I think the heron turned out to be a stump.
We saw a stump that looked like a heron. And now, of course, because it's Outlaw Ranch, the clouds are piling up and it's starting to rumble. So we have to get ready to go back up the hill again and probably have some coffee. But I thought canoeing was fun.
It turned out to be all right.
Do you think we could do it again someday?
I think so.
Okay. And you know, every day this summer, even though we're at this incredibly awkward distance across South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa,
The world.
Wyoming, New Zealand, all the different places that we come from, we hold you in our hearts and we ask that you'll pray for us and pray for our camps and pray for the time when we will come back together again and we'll be on the water together again and we will be this dirty together again and we will celebrate being together with you. We love you.
No, boat.
Is that supposed to happen?
How should I know? I never go canoeing. It's wet and cold.
I thought it went really well.
Yes, it did. Yep, it's cold.
I'm just gonna hold my feet like this.
My feet aren't supposed to be wet.
We're wranglers. Oh look, I got my hands clean.
Yay!
Well, as wranglers, you know that safety is one. Let me try it again.
Now.
Well, as you know, as wranglers, safety is very important to us, which is why we're wearing these gigantic down vests. Can you zip this for me?